So today we've been to the caravan show, and for some reason I bought a model helicopter. It's an S032G by Syma. Comes with all the bits: spare rotation blade, screwdriver, controller, and we're going to try and do a maiden flight. So not really sure how it works. I've been just put it on, and nothing. What's that do? Nothing. What's that do? Nothing. What's that do? Nothing. Quite the best flight. Obviously, as you can imagine, I've not read the instructions. Install antenna. Made to fly. Lay helicopter ground. Turn on the power switch. Leave the helicopter at least 2 meters away from the tail, aimed at you. Check the helicopters far away from the crowd. Pull antenna fully out, and make sure the joystick is lower placed. Turn on the controller. Turn on switch, then move thing. Oh my god. Fucking mess. So that wasn't probably the best thing.